What if I told you? There's a river that can boil you alive, rocks that move on their own, and rain that falls from the sky with frogs in it. No, this isn't some sci-fi thriller. These are real. These are natural. And they're things that even science still can't explain. The natural world is a mystery box. Most of the time, it follows rules. But every now and then, nature throws out the rule book and shows us just how weird it can get. Get ready for 12 of the most bizarre natural events that science is still struggling to understand. 12. The blood falls of Antarctica. In the coldest place on Earth, a glacier is bleeding. Yes, bleeding. Blood falls pours out a stream of deep red water, staining the ice like something out of a horror movie. At first, scientists blamed red algae. Nope, it's actually iron-rich brine, oxidizing as it hits the air. But that brine? It's coming from a hidden ancient lake, sealed beneath hundreds of feet of ice, untouched for millions of years. What else is down there? We still don't know. 11. The never-ending lightning storm. In Venezuela, lightning cracks the sky. Over 260 nights a year. That's not a typo. We're talking 10 hours straight of thunder and electric fury. Thousands of flashes. Every single night. Scientists blame the geography. Some say it's methane from the swamp. But the truth? No one really knows why it never stops. 10. The boiling river of Peru. Deep in the Amazon. There's a river that can kill you in seconds. It's so hot, animals that fall in are cooked alive. Scalded. Gone. No volcanoes nearby. No geothermal activity that makes sense. Just a sacred river, long whispered about in legends. And now, confirmed. But the mystery of its heat remains. 9. The ever-burning fire of Iraq. A small village, a crack in the earth, and a fire that never went out. It's been decades, still burning, still alive. They've tried to put it out. They've failed. Locals call it a gate to the underworld. Scientists suggest natural gas. But how deep is the source? Why won't it stop? No one knows. And the fire still rages. 8. The moving rocks of Death Valley. Massive stones, hundreds of pounds, moving by themselves. No animals, no people, no footprints, just long, winding trails scratched across the desert floor. Scientists think it's wind, ice, and rain working together. But here's the thing. No one has ever seen it happen. Not once. So the question stands. Are we sure it's just the wind? 7. The glowing waves of the Maldives. Picture this, a beach at night, and the waves glow electric blue. Each splash, every footprint, sparkles like the stars. It's real. It's beautiful. And it's caused by bioluminescent plankton. But no one really knows why they glow. Defense? Mating? Something stranger? Whatever the reason, it turns the ocean into a living galaxy. 6. The ice circles of Canada. A giant disk of ice, perfectly round, spinning on its own. These formations are massive, some over 50 feet wide, drifting in icy rivers like nature's vinyl records. Scientists say it's whirlpools. Maybe. But the shapes are so precise, so eerily perfect, they look almost designed. 5. The rain of animals. Yes, animals, falling from the sky. Fish, frogs, even worms. It's happened in multiple countries, multiple times. One theory says tornadoes suck them up. But that doesn't explain everything. Why does it happen on clear days? Why only one species at a time? It's like the skies are choosing their targets. 4. The Siberian craters. Imagine waking up, and there's a giant hole where the Earth used to be. In Siberia, massive craters have been erupting overnight, with no warning. Some are big enough to swallow a house. Explosions? Climate change? Maybe. But we still don't fully understand how they form, or when the next one will appear. 3. The fire tornado. A tornado, made, office fire. Yes, it's real, and it's terrifying. Hot air, flames, and violent winds collide to form a swirling column of fire, a vortex of destruction. Seen in Australia, California. Every time it appears, it leaves only scorched earth behind, and no one knows how to stop it. 2. The black sun of Denmark. In Denmark, tens of thousands of birds take to the sky, not randomly, not chaotically, in perfect swirling waves. They block out the sun. Locals call it sort sol, the black sun. Science says it's for survival. But how do they coordinate? How do they move? Like one mind? It's nature's most elegant mystery. Number 1. The double sunset of Wyoming. Imagine watching the sun set. Then it rises back up, again, before finally disappearing. A rare mix of atmosphere and mountain tricks your eyes, creating one of the most bizarre spectacles on Earth. The sun sets, rises, then sets again. Even though science can explain the physics, seeing it feels like the sky is glitching, the Earth is wild, unpredictable, and sometimes just straight up unbelievable. Which one of these left you speechless? Let us know